Well, good morning. Welcome along to another ride. Bit of an extra on this because it's the 1st of November today. And as you can see, it's been dry for a couple of days and quite mild. So rather than put the bikes away for winter just yet, we'll see if we can keep it going for a couple of weeks. So today, obviously now all the rallies are finished, we haven't got anywhere particular to go, so we thought we'd just have a little ride out, pick a cafe somewhere, pick a point on the map and just have a little ride for a couple of hours. So I'm off to, we're off over the Humber Bridge again. We're going to go through Hull, stop at a bike dealer, have a look around some bikes. We're going to head for the coast. So I'm heading up towards Scunthorpe, a place called Forest Pines. I'm just going to meet Steve just outside there, and then we'll head north and take the non-motorway route over the Humber Bridge. Out on the Honda again. As you'll know, not had this long, not used it much. Obviously didn't take it to Spain or anything like that. Still got to prove its reliability before we take it any long trips. But I have done a couple of mods over the last couple of weeks I want to tell you about. So firstly, you can see I've fitted the Oxford heated grips there. Now these are the touring grips. Still to give them a go, give them a little try out so we can do that. As you can see there, we've got about 5 heat settings. You see I've used the bolts for the clutch reservoir there for mounting the controller, which fits alright. It does just block that top of that cap there, so I'll have to look at that, maybe just loosen that off when we need to change the fluid or anything. So is there no one, it's just plus 30, 50, no 30, 40, 50, 70, 100%. Left hand side, easy, just slid on, bit of glue on it, no problem. But the right hand side, different story. With the right hand throttle side, you've obviously got a throttle tube over the top of it, which is plastic, and it has a little ridge where the old grip fit over. Now you have to file that off and then file the throttle tube down so it's all smooth, so that the new grip fits on, because the two grips are a different diameter inside. So smoothed it all down. Now this I think it's had heated grips fitted previously, so it had glue and residue of tape on this one, so I had used a bit of sandpaper, filed it round, all looked good. Tried the grip without any glue. It was tight, but it seemed to go on, and then I put the glue on, and of course gets it 3/4 of the way on and it got stuck. So then I started to panic. Got glue all over my fingers, but luckily I did manage to pull it off before the glue had set. So I got it off, a bit more googling, and then I decided to connect all the wires up, started the bike up, put it on the full setting, 100%, heated it up, so then the grip was nice and toasty, and that just allowed it to expand that little bit where I could push it on a bit more easier, stick the glue on, and that did the trick. The only downside to that is I did get a couple of spots of glue on the grip, a couple there and one there. Now I've had a quick go with a bit of nail polish remover, but it's not really done anything, so I need to spend a bit more time doing that. Good job done though. Heated grips, some people think they're ugly, but I suppose it depends what sort of bike you got and where they fit, but I think that's fine. And the other thing you might notice, well, I doubt you'd be able to miss it, I have bought myself this CARPURIDE. It's basically Apple CarPlay on a screen, on a big screen. I got it on the Amazon Prime Day, so I got a good discount on it. Yes, it's the first time I'm using it, and I have connected it up in the house and everything. It all seemed to work okay. My only negative on it at the moment, there's no quick release. Like there's your sat nav, you just clip it off, stick it in your pocket and walk off. This, I'd have to disconnect the RAM mount and everything to take it off, and it's obviously then it's a bit big for sticking in your pocket, so you'd have to store it somewhere. So what do? Do you leave it on, risk somebody open themselves to it? I don't know what to do, but it'd be a bit of a pain in the ass to keep taking it on and off more chance of something going wrong with the RAM mount, isn't there? Keep upsetting it and screwing it on and off all the time. Obviously you wouldn't leave it on overnight anywhere if you were staying out. Anyway, let's see what we can do with it. I have got that's the home screen. So it's connected to my phone at the moment. It's got the battery volts on it. It's got see, it's connected to my phone, so the time's there. So you've got usual things that you've got on your phone and what you get on Apple CarPlay. So you can access your phone, make a phone call, music, messages, podcasts, all those sort of things. So if we go on the maps, is that Google Maps or Apple Maps? That's the wrong one. Where's my Google Maps? You can tell I've been practicing, can't you? That's it. Yep, so I've got my route app. Could use that if I'd got the if you have the subscription to use it. Yeah, a few other bits and pieces. Let's go on the Google Maps then, see if it pulls that through, if I've still got it on my phone. Okay. Let's start. What are you talking about? Oh, here we go. Oh, this is going well, isn't it? Oh. There's been an incident. Cones. I see a police car up there. I'm gonna go. Fear is that this did block out my dash, but I can see the speedo. I can see the rev counter. It's just a move to the side to see the fuel gauge and everything. It's not a problem really. And then I've had to have it high enough just to miss the tank bag when I move the steering lock, so it's as good as I'm going to get it there. Let's try the heated grips a bit hotter, see what I can feel. Right, so why is this not working? Right, let's put that place in there. Oh, that's working now. Right, okay. So this is on the route, 5.3 miles. Now I've got the speed. Look, PureRide just goes to the battery as well, and it's got this quick release plug here with a little screw connection. But they do say that they're meant to sense low voltage levels, and they cut off after a certain time when it knows the engine's not running. I've also put a little USB socket in down there. It's got a flap over at the minute, a little eBay job. You see it, a little circular thing there. So I lift the flap and I've got a USB. I've got the grips, I've got the PureRide, I've got the USB socket, I've got the Optimate lead, and I've got the obviously the main battery leads as well. So that's five leads off both terminals. Luckily, when I did lose, I lost the nut on it when I first got the bike. So I've got some longer screws and they're fine. The trouble with this battery is it sits at an angle. If you loosen off the negative terminal, the retaining nut just falls out and drops down the engine. Something to be aware of if you've got one. Oh, I can feel those grips now. Toasty. In fact, I can feel it more in the right one than the left one. Oh, they're hot. That right one is hot. Oh, it's a busy old road this, A15. You get a lot of traffic. It's the main sort of north route out of Lincoln. Heading up towards the M180, turn left then to head up to the main motorway network, the M80 and the M1, or right to Grimsby or the Humber Bridge. Right, so what time is it now? 10:06. I said I'd meet Steve at 10 past, just in this lay-by up here. That's the M180. Just pull in here. Have a feel of that. Oh, it is hot. It's ridiculously hot. Right, let's turn those off. Right, let's have a look on the Google Maps. There's my route there, look. Start in CarPlay. Start. Right, let's work now. I need to see if my intercom will still work. Connect to Steve. That's the unknown. Yeah, I'll have to look into that. So the right hand The left-hand grip was warm. The right-hand one was hot. Ah, right. Steve is here. Morning.
Ah, you treated yourself.
Yes, yeah, he's trying it out.
Chicken, you think?
No, it's called CARPURIDE. Same thing. It's just a Apple CarPlay.
Yeah, that was good, didn't it?
So I just tried it now. It didn't. It first off, it didn't. He said it couldn't navigate in this area, but I've just tried it now and it's put the route in. Fine. So. No. There we are. The Humber Bridge. It's a bit clearer than last time I came this way. See a bit further. Oh, it is. Yeah, the wind's always got the wind a bit on here. It is a wide river, that, isn't it? That bit. It's in the right hand lane now.
Good curry shops.
Look at that. Afro-Caribbean, Asian and English food market.
Trying to capture everything.
Also sells hair and beauty products, household items, wines, beverages, electrical and clothing. Why would you need to go anywhere else?
You won't just go there.
Everything.
Are you sure? That's the only problem.
Must be massive inside. Right, 0.1 turn left. Oh, see it. Do you go down the what down here, couldn't you? Oh yeah, Yamaha dealer, is it? Ken Kawasaki. Triumph, Tenor. Oh yeah, got loads of bikes in. Parking spaces.
Go local extra. He's round.
Okay. Oh, 10 or 8.
Way to get up it.
That's it.
Here we are.
Yeah, do you go up there, you think?
Yeah, that's good as that.
Stand up, move then. Right, that was the Castle Cafe in Withernsea. We had a jacket potato with tuna. cheese and mayonnaise, but there wasn't much tuna in it, and a lot of butter, and it came in a bowl, came in a flat bowl, and had the consistency of mashed potato. Very strange. Coffee was good though. It wasn't exactly cheap either. Oh, which was that? £12 something for a coffee and a jacket potato. Right, we're gonna go see how far we can get. See if we can get right to the bottom of Spurn Point. Wonder what he's got in there. Yeah. We're ready. Yeah. Oh, that was Withernsea. Delightful. I must rush back. Oh. Yeah, another one there, look, Sunshine Cafe. Look at that. It's got its own car park, look, outside. Police? Oh, Easington, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Caffeine toilets. You just keep going until it says we can't go any further. This is it. I bet you can't. Gate across it.
That's right out.